Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video and don't forget to subscribe.
Hi, my name is Jim. This is my 1964 Dodge 330 Max Wedge. I've owned it for 26 years. Took me about 12 years to restore it. A lot of my customers, I sold body shop supplies for my career, and a lot of my customers painted it.
Okay. Yeah, it's clean and straight.
Yeah, it's you don't really see too many postcars anymore.
Right. Were these always on the?
Yeah, those are from the factory like that.
Okay. Wow.
They're new ones, but.
Right. So go ahead. I didn't mean to interrupt you.
Okay. I bought it from a dealership. It didn't have a title, keys, didn't run,
Right.
and then that's when it started.
Wow.
And now 26 years later.
And look at this detail.
Yeah, everything's been plated, polished. Everything's been touched. New glass, new interior.
And the seats are great.
Yeah, that's the original look of the interior.
Yeah. Wow. So you used to see like a roll bar.
Right. Yeah, this is all stock. What's weird about this car, there's a factory air car, but I don't have the air in it, but being a plain Jane entry-level vehicle with factory air is weird.
Sure. How is it to use the push-button shifting?
I'm sorry. Oh, it's great. And everybody comments about it because that's what nobody's ever seen that. You know?
Right, yeah.
And this is the last year for it. The 65, they changed to a on the column shift.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, this is going to come in fun. And then look at this. I don't recall seeing any car that has the trim that's screwed in like that. Or is it?
Yeah, that's the way the factory did it.
Wow. Wow.
No clips. The top piece has clips on it, but not the sides and the bottom does not.
Right. Wow. Can we see the trunk?
Yeah, but the Dodge is pretty cool too.
It's kind of loaded.
Oh wow.
But you can put 4 bodies in there with no problem.
Wow. That's a big trunk. But look how clean and original that thing is.
Yeah, if you take all the stuff out of there, it's like brand new. Those are all the shows that I've gone to in that.
That's nice.
Yeah, you don't really see these too often anymore.
Right.
And,
Right.
you know, when I bought it, I wanted something different. I didn't want to
Sure.
be run-of-the-mill.
Sure. And then do these things have actually backup lights on them?
No, this car was backup light delete
Okay.
because the backup lights would have went here.
Okay.
So this is basically, these cars were municipal vehicles and cop cars, drag cars.
Right,
that was about it.
Do you have any special exhaust on your?
No, that's TTI exhaust, 3-inch.
Okay.
It's the factory style, but it's all new.
Yeah, this is super clean.
Yeah, I try to keep it as clean as possible.
I bet your garage doesn't have an ounce of dust in it.
No. You can see, I'll open the door for you. You can see how the door jams. You know,
Right.
everything has
Yeah.
been touched and no rust anymore.
Right. It's nice when you have the car done the way you want it, isn't it?
Well, right. I wanted to keep it as stock as possible, and let me show you the engine. Hang on one second. That's a 426 Max Wedge motor,
Okay.
dual quads. The only thing that's not factory on it is the headers.
Which is perfectly fine. Perfectly fine.
Yeah, I spent a lot of time in there cleaning that. That's,
Sure.
you know, try to keep it as clean as possible, but I still drive it and enjoy it and
did
beat
you,
on it. And
Sure. And did you have any troubles back in the day? You know, when the rain would get on the relays and it wouldn't start or something
No.
like that?
never had any issues. When I first had it, I used to have the ballast resistor, and that would always burn out.
Okay.
So I changed it to electronic ignition, and that solved that problem.
This looks like a brand new engine, like it hasn't even been touched. Wow. Can we hear how the
It's a
car-
lot of cleaning.
Yeah, yeah. Can we hear how the car sounds?
Sure.
Normal plug went right in.
Well, thank you for stopping by and looking at my 1964 Dodge. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks for looking.
The little filter.